welcome to today's episode of our podcast. I'm your host, Edson Camacho, a full-stack developer, instructor, and passionate about all things related to software engineering and development. You can find me online at my blog, Software Engineer Academy, Tom Paul, where I share my experiences, insights, and educational content to help you grow as a software engineer. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, Agile development, principles and practices for delivering quick value. Agile development has revolutionized the way we approach software creation. It's all about delivering functional and valuable software quickly, iterating over time, and adapting to changes in both technology and client requirements. So, let's get started. First, let's break down what Agile is. At its core, Agile is a mindset that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer centricity. It's based on the Agile Manifesto, which was created back in 2001 by a group of software developers. This manifesto outlines 4 key values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. These values emphasize the human side of development, flexibility, and direct engagement with stakeholders rather than rigid adherence to documentation or plans. So, let's talk about the principles that emerge from these values. Agile principles. The 12 principles behind Agile are the foundation for delivering quick value in software projects. Here's an overview. Customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. The goal is to keep the customer happy by delivering software frequently. Early releases mean customers can start benefiting from the software faster. Welcome changing requirements. Even in late development, Agile acknowledges that requirements will change as the project progresses. The approach is flexible and accommodates those changes without derailing the project. Deliver working software frequently, with a preference for a shorter timescale. It's important to keep the focus on delivering small working increments of the software, ideally every few weeks, so the product evolves in manageable chunks. Business stakeholders and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Collaboration is at the heart of Agile. Developers, stakeholders, and business owners need to stay in constant communication. Build projects around motivated individuals and give them the environment and support they need. Motivated teams work better, so Agile promotes creating a supportive environment with autonomy for team members. Face-to-face conversation is the best form of communication. Even though modern technology offers various ways of communication, Agile values face-to-face conversations for clarity and efficient problem solving. Working software is the primary measure of progress. A tangible product that works, even in its simplest form, demonstrates real progress, rather than detailed documentation or speculative planning. Agile processes promote sustainable development. Teams need to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. This helps prevent burnout and ensures high quality over time. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. By paying attention to good design and high standards, teams can easily adapt and scale. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Simplifying development helps in staying focused on what truly adds value and eliminates unnecessary work. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Teams that are given autonomy and responsibility tend to come up with the best solutions as they have a deeper understanding of the challenges they face. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective and adjusts accordingly. Retrospectives are essential in Agile. They provide the opportunity to reflect, learn, and improve the process continuously. Now, let's explore some Agile practices. These practices are tools that help Agile teams adhere to the principles and ensure quick, continuous delivery of value. 1. Scrum Framework. One of the most popular Agile methodologies is Scrum, which organizes work into sprints, usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Each sprint starts with a planning meeting, where the team sets goals and tasks for the sprint. At the end of the sprint, there's a review meeting to showcase the work done and a retrospective to discuss improvements. 2. Kanban method. Kanban focuses on visualizing the workflow using a Kanban board, which helps teams manage work in progress. By limiting the number of tasks in progress at any given time, Kanban minimizes bottlenecks and ensures smooth progress. It's a flexible practice that works well in environments with varying task sizes. 3. Continuous integration CI and continuous deployment CD. CI/CD is another critical Agile practice. Continuous integration involves frequently integrating code into a shared repository, which is then automatically tested. Continuous deployment takes it a step further by automatically deploying code to production once it passes tests, ensuring that the software is always in a deployable state. 4. Pair programming. Pair programming involves two developers working together at one workstation. One writes code while the other reviews it. This practice not only helps in improving code quality, but also allows for immediate feedback, better knowledge sharing, and faster problem solving. 5. Test-driven development (TDD). In TDD, developers write tests before they write the actual code. This ensures that the software meets the requirements and works correctly from the start. TDD helps in maintaining high code quality and finding bugs early in the development process. To wrap up, Agile development isn't just about methodologies or practices, it's a mindset that embraces flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By focusing on delivering small, incremental improvements, Agile teams can provide real value to customers quickly while also adapting to changes in requirements. If you're interested in diving deeper into Agile, I encourage you to visit my blog at softwareengineeracademy.com, where I share more resources, articles, and insights on becoming a better software engineer. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I hope you've learned something valuable about Agile development and how its principles and practices can help you deliver software faster and more effectively. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll explore another exciting topic in the world of software engineering.